Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can withdraw your funds from crypto.com app. So, few months ago, I posted this video talking about all the basic things about crypto.com app, how you can buy, sell cryptocurrencies on the app, and all the basic stuff about the app. And so many of you asked me how to withdraw your funds from the app. I don't know why it's confusing for so many of you, but so yeah, here we go. I thought of making this video. I hope it will help you guys. And if you are new to crypto.com app, please don't forget to use my link down below. It will give us both 25 US dollars as a sign up bonus. And yes, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So this is how the homepage of the app looks like, and there are two options, trade and transfer over here. When you click on transfer, you can see there are two options again, deposit and withdraw. So let me show you how you can withdraw your funds from crypto.com app. Click on withdraw, and you have two options over here. Withdraw crypto to other platforms, and fiat, withdraw fiat to your bank account. So fiat is your currency, like your Canadian dollars. So for example, once you bought Bitcoin and sold it for Canadian dollars, you can withdraw those Canadian dollars to your bank account. And withdrawing crypto in the sense, if you want to send crypto from one account to another account, that is what you do. Like, you can click withdraw crypto to other platforms. So I'm going to show you how you can withdraw fiat first. So yeah, click on fiat, and you can see Canadian dollar. If you're in the US, obviously your currency would be US dollars. So yeah, whatever it is, click on Canadian dollars, and so withdraw Canadian dollars to your internet bank account. Okay, withdrawing and depositing is totally free. With crypto.com app, you don't have to worry about it. Activate, confirm recipient's email address, name and phone number for your withdrawal request. Choose withdrawal amount, email address, and enter security Q&A. Wait for our review. It takes 2 business days for us to review our withdrawal request. We will notify you once your request is approved and processed. Next, receive funds in your bank account. So the minimum limit to withdraw your currency is $100. If it's like less than 100, you obviously won't be able to withdraw your currency. So make sure it's $100 at least. So daily maximum is 3000, monthly is 70k, and transactions per day are 2, and transactions per month are 20. So yeah, click on withdraw now. So you can see my email over here, and whatever the Interac email address you have, link to your bank account, link to your Interac e-transfer, just submit that, like add withdrawal email and your email and your first name, last name, and your phone number, and click on confirm. After adding your email address, what you have to do is enter how much you want to withdraw. For example, $1000. I actually don't have $1000 in this app to ready to withdraw. So yeah, okay, just say $1000 and select withdraw to, like, whatever email you have, just select it. And security question, select security question, what is your favorite food. Click confirm, and just give it an answer. And once you are done giving the answer, you will see a confirm button over here. Just click that, and that is how you can withdraw. You will get an Interac e-transfer from crypto.com within 2 business days. Don't forget that it takes up to 2 business days for the withdrawal to happen. So yeah, that is how you can withdraw your Canadian dollars to your bank account. Now let me show you how you can send cryptocurrencies from one account to another account. Click on transfer, and same, click on withdraw, and here you have to select crypto. So withdrawing funds in Canadian dollars is fiat, and withdrawing crypto is different. So withdraw crypto to other platforms. Click on that, and here you have different options: crypto.com users, crypto.com exchange, crypto.com DeFi wallet, and external wallet. So for example, if I want to send any cryptocurrencies, for example, sometimes what happens is I send crypto to my husband's account and he sends me crypto, within crypto.com app itself. So it's very easy and it's totally free to do that. External wallet, in the sense, for example, I have an account with another crypto app called Newton. So if I have to transfer cryptocurrencies without selling, for example, if I want to send one Ethereum to that account, I have to click on external wallet and just add wallet address, and that's how you can do. But if you want to send your crypto, let's say one Ethereum, I want to send it to my husband on crypto.com platform itself. So click on crypto.com users and search contacts. So I have my husband's contact over here, and so yeah, you can select whatever crypto you want. There are 4 options right now. If I have to send Ethereum, I can send just how much Ethereum I want to send. If I want to send everything, yeah, just click on send, and yeah, you can confirm, and within like 10 seconds they'll receive that crypto. So withdrawing crypto and fiat are totally different. So yeah, in the same way you can deposit currency, like cryptocurrencies or your Canadian dollars into crypto.com app. Same process in a different way. Just click on transfer again, and again, instead of withdrawing, we are depositing into your account. So just click on deposit. Again, you have 2 options. So if you want to deposit crypto from other platform, let's say I transfer my cryptocurrencies from Newton app to crypto.com app all the time. Yeah, when you have to deposit crypto from other platforms, you can click on crypto, and which crypto you want, you have to click on it specific, you have to select it specifically. For example, Ethereum, and this is the address, this is my wallet address. So yeah, and yeah, I can share it and I can deposit from other crypto platforms. And if you want to deposit fiat, just click on fiat, and again, Canadian dollars, select that. So use the information below to transfer funds to crypto.com account. Okay, add e-transfer at crypto.com to your Interac, as a payee on your bank, and use that email address to Interac e-transfer to this particular email address. When you are doing that Interac e-transfer, when you are done with that Interac e-transfer, whatever amount you have from your bank account, let's say $1,000, once you send that Interac to this particular email address, you will get a reference number in your email. Copy that reference number from your email and click on enter reference number, and yes, enter reference number, and yeah, here is where you can paste your reference number and wait for some time. That's how you can send an Interac e-transfer to crypto.com app from your bank account. And yeah, that's how you can deposit your funds to this app. So it's not that hard, and I highly recommend you guys to check the tutorial video I made. Go through that video and you will get an idea about how to deposit and all. And I'm gonna leave a playlist of videos I made regarding crypto.com app. You can check out, links are in the description box below. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. I'll try to answer them. And I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.